SurePrep's OCR captures certain formats of K-1 supplement pages. And because this is a phase 1 of the release, we have two formats that we have selected. This is the first format we will be capturing across all the K-1 types, and this is the second format. Now, as with anything we do at SurePrep, we have analytics and loads of data to show why we selected these two formats for our phase 1 release. So for 1065s, we found total of 15 variations. Yes, there are 15 different variations as of today that we were able to find. And both of these formats appeared in 40% of the returns processed at SurePrep that had these K1s. For 1120S and 1041, we found 5 different variations. And both of these formats appeared in 50% of the returns processed. So you can see that these were the top 2 formats that we thought, let's go ahead and start with this. Firms using this will obviously have at least one of these formats in some of the returns, and they will start getting the benefit of this function. Now, however, even on these formats, not all line items are captured from the supplement pages. So for example, OCR may only capture box 11 code I with single codes and box 13 with multiple codes. Let me just explain you quickly what that means. Single code tables have amounts that relate to the same code, meaning 11i on the first page, and when you go down to the footnote, you have tons of descriptions and tons of amounts that all relate to 11i. You need to reclass them and then put them into specific lines. A multi-code table has different amounts that go to different codes. So over here, box 13 has an asterisk, and when you go down to the footnotes, you will see all different codes that will take the amounts into different lines. Now, if there is a K1 line or a code that does not provide any additional value to you for reclass purposes, we may not capture it at all. Also, please remember, not everything from every supplemental page is being captured for reclass purposes. Again, this is phase 1 release. We wanted to give the most value out of these supplement pages, so we are capturing the most important ones. Now, keeping in line with analytics and priorities, we have already begun capturing the next formats that will be available in future releases. And here are the 2 examples. And obviously, many, many, many more to come.